Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I am so excited because I'm bringing you yet another new box to my channel. That's right. Today I'm going to be showing you the Spiritual Guru box for May. Do you want to see what's inside this bad boy right here? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I received May's Spiritual Guru box. They were kind enough to send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me this to show my viewers. And I am so loving these type of subscription boxes with the spiritual, the crystals, all of that good stuff. So I'm so thankful that they sent me this so I can show you guys, and let's see what this is all about. So to tell you a little bit about the company, because what I do when I first bring one to my channel, as you know. So the Spiritual Guru box, they say, discover your inner guru. Subscribe to our monthly subscription box of spiritually inspired items specifically picked to enhance your spiritual experience. Or shop our store. Our popular Spiritual Guru store is filled with all kinds of high vibration items, especially chosen for those who are looking to maintain energetic balance. Now, I looked at their site. They even have a men's line where there's some bracelets and necklaces and things like that. But they have tons of jewelry, they have journals, they have cards, they have candles, they have crystals. They have so many different things on their site. The link will be down below, and they generated my own code, which I'm so excited about. So you can use Crafty19 to get 25% off your first order. So that is amazing. Crafty19 will get you 25% off your first order on their website. Again, I will link their website down below. Now, the Spiritual Guru box is regularly priced at $49.95, and I do believe it's free shipping because they do say they do international shipping, but shipping rates will apply to international shippers, plus the customer is responsible for all other international fees or taxes. So I'm going to assume that all US, it is free shipping because it doesn't say anything about shipping for the US. Only for international, there is additional fees for that, but they do ship internationally, which is awesome. Now, inside here, what they tell you, it's a lifestyle box, and it says, are you new on spiritual journey? I know I am. Or are you already actively raising your vibrations? How would you like to receive a box in the mail each month filled with special items specifically picked to enhance your spiritual experience? Many of our products are made by skilled artisans, natural or organic, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly. Typical box retail value is $100 or more each month. There's 5 to 7 inspired products in each box. Types of items would include spiritual or growth tools, a high vibration crystal or stone, essential oil spray or roll-on, scented candles, boho jewelry, mala beads, figurine, or other mystical items. Right now, they're currently taking orders for May's grounding box, that is what I received. All orders placed now until the end of May will receive May's box. So you would still have time to purchase this month's if you want this month's box, because we still have a few days left of May. So let's see what is inside of this box. And it is pretty heavy, you guys. That I gotta tell you. This is a beautiful box. I love the colors. I just love how it looks, sending good vibes. It has their website there, sending good vibes. The colors and everything are just so beautiful, and it just like calls me. I just love the way that this box is designed. So let's look inside and see what the inside has in store for us, you guys. So here we go. And it says sending good vibes with the sticker on top. And it says sending good vibes on their sticker right there with the tissue paper. Let's get this open here. And let's see. So they do have a card that goes over each item, and it says my total valued box is $113. So everything that is in here is going to be valued up to $113. And let's go ahead and let's go with this guy right here that's right on top. This is a dreamcatcher. That is really pretty, really pretty. And I don't think I have a dream catcher just like this. I've had them in the past, but who knows what happened to them upon moves and all that good stuff. There is the detail on the top part. So let's see what this says. Dream catcher. In the Native American culture, it is believed that a dream catcher allows good dreams pass through and slide down the feathers to reach the person sleeping. When morning comes and the dream catcher is exposed to light, the bad dreams dissolve and disappear. This is retail value for $15. So that is amazing. So there's item number 1. We have a loose feather up in here. Let's see here. We have an item in a bag right here. And let's see what this is. It feels like a bracelet, and it is. That is so pretty. These feel like glass beads or something. Look at the different colors on them. That is definitely unique. You see my lights. The little white glare in the middle is from my ring lights, you guys. But that is so pretty. That is really pretty. That is definitely unique. I like that. They're just really pretty. I wish you could see them better without my lights, but they do switch. They have a shift of color. This is the Tiger's Eye bracelet. Tiger's Eye is known for its dual nature of grounding you to the earth while also bringing the sun's cheerful energy into the thoughts and body. It's a powerful tool for those periods of change and transformation in your life and for attracting wealth, particularly if you're starting any kind of new venture. Valued at $20. And again, it feels like they're heavy. They almost feel like they're glass, but they're probably not. They're probably crystals in their Tiger's Eye. So that is awesome. I really love that. And I love how it's like mainly brown, so it's like neutral colors and it will go with anything that you wear. So that is amazing. So next we have is a grounding scrub, balance and recharge, cleansing and moisturizing body scrub, 4 ounce, which is right there. This says grounding scrub. Water plays a very important role when it comes to grounding yourself, but it also is important to use a strong grounding scent to help with this process. This grounding scrub was created with salt, sugar, and essential oils, specifically created to help with grounding at the end of the day. Retail value for $15. Let's see if it's open. It is open and it looks just like a normal sugar scrub right there. And it smells really good. The essential oils I can smell. It kind of reminds me of like a woodsy scent, like pine trees, pine needle, like a piney type. It smells really good, but it smells to me like a piney, woodsy, earthy type scent, and that is awesome. And again, that is valued at $15. There's still a few items in here, you guys. There is another little pouch. This one is a silk pouch. This one is a velvet pouch. So let's see what is inside of this guy. That is beautiful. Look at that, you guys. You see all of the inside, how it's all sparkly? That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love when they're like this, when it looks like it's just straight cut in half and you see the inside. This is amazing. And there's the back of it. You can just see that was the outside of the stone or the crystal, and then the inside. I love the different layers and the different colors. That is so beautiful. Wow, I love that. Whoa, I'm going to butcher the name, so I'm gonna show you. It's this middle one right here. I'm not flipping you off, but I'm not quite sure how you say that. Choya Geode? I'm not quite sure. This is a geode. That's right, I couldn't think of the name. I love the geodes. I got one in another box, I think last month. And then I do have a geode that I bought in California. That's an amethyst that I absolutely love. I love the geodes. These right here. Geodes are very powerful earth element grounding stones. Energy-wise, the Geode, I'm not sure, has very powerful absorbing, healing, and transformation properties. Placement is near your front door or in your bedroom. So I guess it's a good thing to put this like near your front door or in your bedroom, which I will probably put this in my bedroom next to my other one that's on my little nightstand. This is beautiful, and I bet you I can get it to stand just like that. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love that, and I love how it has like that blue outer, and then it goes into like the tans and then the white. That is just gorgeous. I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay, next we have, is this a candle? It says Earth, Connect and Recharge, Spiritual Guru. It's their label on the top, and yes, it is. Ooh, and that smells amazing. Oh my goodness. That smells really good. And I can get some spices. Yes, I'm getting like some hints of spices, and there's actually crystals inside. And I love when they do this. I love when they put the crystals in on top, because when you burn it, it's supposed to give off that vibe. So this is a oh no, that's not the grounding sponge or scrub. This is the earth candle. Oh, and I'm so sorry, you guys. This is valued at $20. Okay, so now this right here is valued at $23 for this candle. So with this candle, it's the earth candle. Yes, it says earth candle. And it says, we burn this candle to help us tune in with the earth's energy. This month's fragrance oil blend features notes of natural essential oils, including fir needle, cedar wood, eucalyptus, and cedar leaf, especially chosen because they're grounding and properties. And that's exactly what I was smelling. And I said it was like, yes, it's like an earthy, piney, it spices, it just smells so good. I can't wait to burn that. And the crystals inside, and this big one right here even has like some, you can't really get the shift, but it's like it does have a shiny effect to it, but I'm not getting it picked up. But it is very beautiful, and it smells amazing. So now, oh, this says Spiritual Guru candles right on top, and this says Spiritual Guru crystals and gemstones. So this must be the different ones that they add into the candles. So I would assume what is inside this candle, it looks like it would be the iron pyrite. If that's the case, it's excellent for increasing inner power and strength by activating the third chakra. By enhancing willpower and positive energy, it can also help aid in overcoming anxiety. Iron pyrite helps one to become in touch with their inner warrior. I think that is exactly what that is, because it does have the goldish tones to it, and the iron pyrite is right here, and it has like the coppery color to it. So I think that's exactly what it is, because it's not the black tourmaline. So yeah, it's got to be the iron pyrite. So that is awesome. And you know, I love me some candles, especially a good smelling one, and that is definitely a good smelling one. So right here on top, it says 2 of Raphael, 2 hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. Kindred spirits, don't give up on those you love. So I don't know. I've seen some of these boxes will give you 1 card, and after you get so many, you kind of have a free deck out of it. So I don't know if that's what this is, because nothing on here. Let's see. Okay, so it says on the front, I love this design, you guys. It is just so beautiful. Okay, so it says the Power Tarot cards. Your oracle card was intuitively pulled and placed in your box just for you. Each box contains a different card. Each box holds a special message If the card resonates with you, wonderful. If it does not, it might be meant for another person in your life. Take a moment and tune into your intuition and see who comes to mind. It's a fun way to practice your intuitive skills. 2 hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. Maybe that's me and my man. I'm not sure, but that's that. So that is awesome. So it's not that you get them and you can collect a deck. It's they literally pick one specifically for you in hopes or in thinking that it's going to resonate to you or somebody in your life. So it's picked for each individual person. So that is awesome. I love that. I love that. Okay, there's one more item in here, you guys, and whoa. This is a whole deck of oracle cards, you guys. There's what the outside package looks like. This is valued at $20. So again, now everything all added up is to $113. There's the back. The Native Spirit Oracle cards, profoundly by Denise Lynn, were created to deepen your connection to the mysterious natural forces around you. Each card opens a gate to that. You can powerfully and immediately discern your own unique secret message from the universe. Oh my gosh. So in here is the little book, the guidebook that will go over all of the cards and the meanings behind them. And then here is the actual card deck. And let's get that opened. So here is everything. These are all the same for the backs of the cards. And then here is everything for the fronts of the cards. These are beautiful. I love the nature. Oh my goodness. The sceneries. Those are just beautiful. Those are beautiful. I love that. Those, oh my goodness, look at that. What? Oh my gosh, I love this set. This is an amazing box, you guys. Whew, this is an amazing box. Okay, so again, valued at $113. I don't need to put that anywhere because it says it on here, which I love. Their card is very simple, easy to understand, easy to read. I love that. The colors, their design, their artwork is just absolutely stunning. So recap, we have this Oracle card set. We have the Dreamcatcher. We have the Grounding Sugar Scrub. We have this Smell Good candle that's infused with crystals. We have this beautiful geode right here. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And we have the bracelet that I'm wearing. And then we have this really cool card that they throw in that's supposed to be for me or somebody in my life. And that is awesome. And then you do have a little chart for the other crystals that they put in their candles. So that is awesome. So thank you so much for sending me this box to show my viewers. This is an amazing box, you guys. I'm loving this box and I'm so grateful and thankful that they sent this to me, again, to review for you guys. But this is an amazing box. I am actually really loving everything that is in here, and I cannot believe there's a full deck of oracle cards, and this is like right up my alley. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching my video. Comment down below, let me know, how did you like this box, you guys? I'm hanging this up over my bed. That is gorgeous. So let me know what you thought about this box. Do you think I should repurchase this to show you guys more of this box? Are you interested in getting this box? If you are, again, Crafty19 will get you that 25% off. Definitely check them out. They sell a lot of things on their website. If you're not wanting to do the subscription, you can check out their site just to buy individual things if you would like to as well. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And then you will not miss a future video that I have on my channel. And until next time, you guys know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.